up, YouTube? It's Bonnie Glam, and I'm back with another Get Ready With Me video today. I've already done my eyes, y'all, but I still have to do my foundation. And I'm in a hurry because I have a meeting with one of my doctors this morning that I do business with. And I just want to talk to you today about letting people be who they are. You know, we have people that do us wrong, relationships, boyfriends, friends, business, all that. And we get mad, we get upset, right? But like, why? You gotta let people be who they are. When you feel like a person should treat you better than they do, so what? Let them be who they are. They're not gonna change just because you feel that way. Honestly, I'm using my Maybelline 24 hours today to see if it does better. But honestly, if you worry so much about people screwing you over, you won't have time to worry about other stuff. Like, you're gonna, think about it. Why do you care? Why do you care if this person, who is another human being, sorry y'all, it's getting a call and getting a call from the doctor, and I'm using my phone today because the boys have the camera upstairs. But anyway, yeah, so I tend to not worry about other people's actions. Because at the end of the day, people are not going to change who they are just because you feel a certain type of way. And I learned this a long time ago. My grandmother told me this. She told me this when I was married to the boy's father, because I was always worried about like how he was acting, why he was acting that way, when, you know, I gave him no reason to, and I was just super good to him, blah blah blah. And my grandma was like, you know what, Katrina, you just have to let people be who they are and you'll be less stressed. Don't worry about how people are. They're going to be who they are regardless of you, regardless of even them, regardless of what they should or should not do. So why do you worry about it? I was like, you know what? That makes sense. So I have lived by that for the past, 15 years? And it's gotten me like through a lot of situations. Like I could probably say, well, no, I could definitely say more than not, people have screwed me over. And for no reason, because I never gave them any reason to. So I've definitely had to live by that, because I don't understand, to this day, y'all, I don't understand why people have treated me the way they treated me. Not one of my friends, not one man I've had a relationship with can say, well, Trina did this X, Y, and Z. No, Trina treated you great, better than you treated her, and you still fucked her over. So I can definitely say not one person can come and say, not one person that I had a relationship with or was friends with could say, well, Trina did this and that's why I did this. Not one, no. So I come to the conclusion that people are just people. They're humans. You know, most of the time they suck. And I don't know why. I don't know, maybe people have stuff going on personally that make them treat people bad. I don't know. But everybody, my relationships, men included, friends included, after I said, you know what? I don't want to deal with that person anymore because it's a negative environment. It's a toxic environment. And when I went ghost on that person, which I tend to do because I don't know how else to be, because either I'm 100% for you and I love you to death, I'll give you the shirt off my back and I have nothing, or I don't fool with you, period, at all, zero. So, and then after I do that, that person is begging for my attention back. Begging for my friendship, the relationship, all of that. And it's like, why? Why would you treat me like that if you knew, you know I'm a good person. No, I treated you good. So I don't understand people, and I never will. And maybe none of us will. And maybe people don't understand themselves. But you have to set a ground, you know, a standard for yourself and not let people treat you any type of way. So, you know, that's just how I do things. You know, like when people tend to show me who they are, I just let them go and let them go on about their life. And I don't know how else to be, because like where I'm from and how I was raised, you know, it's you're real or you're not. There is no fake. I don't know how to be fake, y'all. I swear. Oh, I wish I did. I swear. I wish I knew how to be fake. I wish I knew how to just say F people. Let me just use them up for whatever and be fake with them. But I don't know how to do that. Like, I don't know. So I just stopped fooling with people. And then when I stopped fooling with them, they're like, dang, man, Trina really was good to me. Like, duh, of course. I never did anything to you. So, I don't know, y'all. I just don't get it. I don't get people. I never will. And I know I was raised different. I really know I was raised different from dealing with people. I don't understand. You know, the way they are. So, and again, you can't worry about how people are. So sometimes you just gotta cut your ties, cut your losses, and keep it moving so that you can have a, you know, better and positive lifestyle. Because so you won't fall into the negativity, and you won't be hurt all the time. Because I refuse to walk around hurt for anybody. Like, even in my relationships, like I'm just not going to be hurt. Like, I am tired of hurting because of other people's actions. There's no reason to hurt because of other people's actions. Like, think about it. You are your own person. You are inside your body. This is your brain. This is your mind. So why should you hurt because of somebody else's brain, mind, body, all that? For what? No. Like, it's time out for that. For people to have so much control over you. And I know I'm done with that. But y'all, I'm having this conversation with you today for any of you who are out there and dealing with people who don't do you right. You know, your relationships are bad and stuff. It's like, just let them people be who they are. You be who you are. You keep it moving. And, oh, and guys, I'm using the Kat Von D locket. And then, of course, baking with Sasha Buttercup. But yeah. It's time for everybody to be healed. Time for bullshit to be out the window. You know, like, stop letting people treat you a certain way, you know? No matter how much you love them. Because people are going to only treat you the way you allow them to treat you. And I'm talking to everybody, and I'm like, even in friendships, relationships, marriages, everything. Like, people are only going to treat you the way you allow them to. Quit allowing them to treat you that way. Quit allowing them to know that they can do you any type of way and you're not going anywhere. You're still going to stay there. You know? So for what? Yeah, there's so many people in the world, you know? So it's like, you can go, if it's that important to find another relationship or friendship or whatever, go find another person. Chances are the next person's gonna treat you better. And if they treat you worse, get rid of them too. It's just my theory. I don't know. But, like, it's just time out for bullshit. It's time out for people who are not good people. And it's time for them to know that they're not good people, you know? And you remain a good person. Don't ever let anybody change who you are based on their actions. You still be who you are. And let God know that you're still going to be, you know, a good person regardless. So, but yeah, guys. So if you've ever dealt with situations like I have been dealing with for many years, email me, comment, let me know, DM me, because I want to hear your stories too, because I would love to understand why people treat me the way they do. I don't get it. I've even had people say, well, they said such and such and such, that you did such and such and such. And I'm like, oh my God, lies, you know? Like, they will even lie saying I did something that I didn't do, like totally far-fetched, just beyond crazy. And it's like, what is up with people? If you have a person who just really genuinely loves you and would do anything for you, why the fuck would you mess that up? Get it? Like, I just think it's the dumbest thing ever in life. Like, I wish I could say I have this person who is going to be like my ride or die regardless. I ain't got to worry about nothing, you know? But I just don't get people. I really don't. And maybe I never will. And maybe there aren't any answers. But I don't know. But if y'all have gone through anything like me, let me know. I'd love to hear the stories. And if there was any outcome, or if you found out, you know, a reason why people are the way they are. Because I definitely don't know. Yep, I don't know, guys. Just let me know if you have any stories to tell, so I can talk about it again. Make sure y'all have all of your notifications on for me. Have them on all, because I'm going to be uploading like crazy this week. I've been recording. I have videos to upload and I have other videos to do. So make sure you stay tuned for all the things that are to come. Gonna be working with some different people and just doing different things, you know, continuing to grow. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Sorry. Yo, this is the NYX lingerie teddy. Corset. And then to finish it up with, of course, Urban Decay All Nighter. Hi, baby.
Where you going?
I have to go to a meeting with the doctor that I'm late for. Are you taking your brother or he driving? Huh? Did you tell him? Because he think he driving himself now.
Yeah.
I said his foot messed up. But yeah, guys, so that's the end of the video. I'm late for this meeting, so I need to go put on my shirt, my heels, and get out of here. All right, guys, I love you so much, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and continue to watch my videos. Turn on the notifications. Watch my ads if you can, and I love you guys so much. Also subscribe to my boys, JK Flash and Maya Familia, and we will be working hard and uploading. So, all right, guys, bye.